The Earth is facing a silent crisis. Microplastics, tiny fragments of plastic less than 5 millimeters, are infiltrating oceans, rivers, and cities, creating an enormous yet largely invisible impact. Aerial views of the ocean reveal waves marred by floating plastic debris, showcasing the stark contrast between nature's beauty and human negligence. In urban areas, city streets are cluttered with plastic waste, from bottles to packaging, highlighting how deeply embedded plastic is in daily life. Massive landfills are breeding grounds for microplastics, as discarded plastics break down into tiny particles that can travel thousands of miles. Industrialization exacerbates the issue, with factories emitting plastic waste into waterways. Microplastics are found in remote locations, from mountaintops to Arctic sediments. They enter the environment through wastewater discharge, wind, and industrial facilities, becoming nearly impossible to remove. Studies show microplastics have even been detected in Arctic ice, proving no place is untouched. Microplastics are sneaking into our lives, and humans are feeling the impact. Found in bottled water, tap water, seafood, and even table salt, these tiny particles are everywhere. Close-up visuals show microplastics drifting in water, a constant reminder of their presence. Seafood, a favorite for many, often contains these hidden threats. Imagine plates of fish and shrimp, overlaid with visuals of microplastics, revealing what's lurking beneath the surface. Animated sequences illustrate microplastics traveling through the digestive system, from ingestion to the intestines, highlighting potential health risks. In labs, scientists examine food and water samples under microscopes, showcasing their crucial role in research and public awareness. Health studies indicate that long-term exposure to microplastics could impact organs, immunity, and metabolism. While research continues, the presence of microplastics in our bodies serves as a clear warning. Awareness is key to tackling this growing issue. Microplastics sneak into the environment in surprising ways. Wastewater discharge pipes dump cloudy water filled with tiny particles into rivers, sending them downstream. Even those tiny bits from personal care products find their way into local streams, eventually reaching larger bodies of water. Wind plays a role too, spreading microplastic dust across farmlands, cities, and deserts. Sunlight catches these particles as they float, settling into soils, rivers, and oceans. Industrial facilities contribute by releasing tiny plastic particles from smokestacks, which settle nearby. Once in soil or water, these fragments are tough to remove. Plastic waste in landfills breaks down slowly. Time-lapse footage shows bottles and bags fragmenting under sun and wind, then getting carried off by wind, water, or animals into distant ecosystems. Microplastics even seep into groundwater, contaminating drinking water. Rivers and oceans transport them worldwide, with studies finding microplastics in remote Arctic ice. No place on Earth is safe. Microplastics are wreaking havoc on marine life. Sea turtles often mistake plastic for food, leading to accidental ingestion. Slow-motion footage captures the tension as countless species face this danger. Microscopic views show small fish with microplastics stuck in their guts. This contamination trickles up the food chain, impacting larger predators and disrupting entire ecosystems. Seabirds soaring above may get tangled in plastic or swallow it by mistake. Close-ups reveal the struggle these birds endure due to these invisible pollutants. Polluted beaches tell a stark story. Waves wash over plastic debris, mixing it with natural sand, harming wildlife and threatening tourism and local economies. Animated graphics illustrate microplastics moving through ecosystems, from plankton to fish, seabirds, and even humans. This issue doesn't stop at the ocean. It reaches soil ecosystems too, affecting worms and insects, altering nutrient cycles and plant growth. Reducing microplastic pollution starts with individual choices. Using reusable shopping bags, bottles, and containers cuts down on new plastic entering the environment. When millions make simple changes, the impact is huge. Water treatment plants equipped with microplastic filters can catch particles before they reach rivers and oceans. Plus, industries are adopting tech to trap plastic particles at the source. At home, washing machines can be fitted with microfiber filters or laundry bags to catch those pesky synthetic fibers. Even small steps like this can stop thousands of microplastics from polluting waterways. Community action matters too. Volunteers cleaning beaches and rivers not only make a difference but also raise awareness. Schools, NGOs, and local governments can host events to educate and inspire sustainable practices. Let's not forget policy change. Governments regulating single-use plastics and promoting recycling can significantly cut down plastic production and pollution. Together, these efforts can create a cleaner future. As the video concludes, breathtaking visuals of clean oceans and vibrant forests highlight a healthier planet's potential. People actively plant trees, wave banners, and participate in beach cleanups, showcasing the power of collective action. Animated infographics illustrate the journey from pollution to thriving ecosystems, reinforcing that everyone, individuals, industries, and governments can make a difference. Microplastics may be a hidden threat, but awareness and innovation can restore balance. Every action counts.